The mind and meditation. How to find inner peace in a busy world. With stress on the rise, meditation offers a way to find peace. But can we really train the mind to relax? Why did the yogi go broke? Because they couldn't pay attention. What is meditation? Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind to achieve mental clarity and relaxation. Types of meditation. Techniques include mindfulness, transcendental, and guided meditation, each with unique benefits. Scientific benefits. Studies show meditation reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, enhancing overall mental health. Impact on the brain. Meditation can increase gray matter and improve areas responsible for memory and empathy. Mindfulness in daily life. Mindfulness practices can help improve focus, decision-making, and emotional resilience. The concept of flow. Meditation can help achieve flow, a state of total focus and immersion in tasks. Meditation for creativity. Many artists and professionals use meditation to stimulate creativity and problem-solving. Improving sleep. Meditation promotes relaxation, which can improve sleep quality and combat insomnia. Breathing techniques. Techniques like deep breathing are integral to meditation, helping regulate stress. Mindfulness versus meditation. While related, mindfulness is a way of living, while meditation is a practice. Body scan and progressive relaxation. Techniques to connect with physical sensations and reduce stress. Meditation apps. Apps like Headspace and Calm make meditation accessible to beginners. Challenges of meditation. It can be difficult to quiet the mind, but consistency helps make meditation easier. Meditation is a powerful tool for mental health, helping people find calm and focus in a fast-paced world. Its benefits make it a valuable practice for anyone seeking inner peace. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.